Welcome back to Living Local. Vera Community Mental Health Center has made it easier for folks in our area to get the help they need by adding a full-service outpatient clinic in Bettendorf and upgrading their Central Park clinic in Davenport. But that's not all. They're getting ready to break ground on another even larger construction project. And here to tell us more about it is Dr. Whitaker, CEO of Vera Community Mental Health Center, which is also this segment's sponsor. Dr. Rich, so great to see you again. Thanks for being here
Again. Thank you.
All right, so tell us about this new construction project called Carroll's Village Gardens, right? Am I saying that correctly?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you know, Carroll's Village Gardens is really something we've been working on for several years. We had the idea that, you know, if we could put affordable apartments right next door to the Carroll Center, we'd have supportive, affordable housing. It's 30 units of apartments. It's 26 one-bedrooms, 4 two-bedroom apartments. It'll be 4 stories high.
Nice.
It's right there on the corner of Harrison and Ninth Street.
Okay, yeah, and you know, the area in general, we need more affordable housing anyhow,
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah.
Now, this is only 30 units, but we feel like it's 30 special units.
Definitely, definitely. Every little bit helps, for sure. So give us the details on how this project will help serve the community.
Well, you know, I suppose a lot of developers do affordable housing. However, these units will be very affordable.
Okay.
Because they're going to serve people that are at 30% of average median income, 40% of 50%, not just the 60%, which is the threshold for affordable housing.
Yeah.
So, and it's being right next door to the Carroll Center means we've got supportive services that help people get back into the workforce, that help people address some of their mental health needs, that give people some resources that can help them be successful and not just housed.
Yeah, yeah. You mentioned that these are very affordable apartments. Can you talk to us a bit about how affordable and what does supportive mean?
Yeah, so we're actually looking at affordability, meaning people who are living on disability income can afford to live in these apartments.
Okay.
Which is surprising because you know, you ask anybody and they're paying almost more than they get from disability income for their rent.
Yeah.
And that's just not
it's
sustainable.
Crazy, isn't
that's
it?
not possible. So.
No, that just doesn't work. That doesn't work. So give us the details on the groundbreaking event.
So actually it's coming up pretty soon, September 20th. We're super excited about having Russell Construction out there with us and all of our partners from the community joining us. We're meeting in the morning. Actually, I don't remember exactly the time, but
I think we have the information up there on the screen for folks. So 10 a.m.
But 10 a.m. It'll be right there at the Carroll Center, 808 North Harrison, just behind. We're going to put up a big tent and have some food for everybody and some speakers, and it should be a great Chamber of Commerce event as well.
Yeah.
But this is really to celebrate the first time in over 10 years that Vera has actually added to its new housing stock. So we've got a lot of apartments. We bought some from the city, but now we're building some brand new apartments right there in downtown for people to take advantage of services next door at the Carroll Center.
Definitely, definitely. So how long do you expect construction on this new project? Because you guys have been really busy with construction projects this year, right?
Yeah, we just got the earthwork started just a couple weeks ago, and we expect to be done next summer. So summer of 2025, and by the end of the summer we should be starting to see people move in. So
okay. Are you taking any applications for people who want to live there?
We're always taking applications for Vera Housing. We are actually forming kind of a lease-up committee that will be talking about what are the maybe unique challenges related to providing housing at the Carroll's Village Gardens. One of the things that is unique and that lends itself to the word supportive is 6 of those units will be reserved for people coming out of homelessness.
Oh,
so you know,
nice.
we have 30 units, but 6 will specifically be reserved for people that are first time back into a housing situation, provided with all the supports needed to be successful.
Yeah, that's so important, and I bet those units are going to fill up probably pretty fast,
yeah,
right?
It actually feels like they're a little pot of gold, and we've got to be very careful with how we lease those up, making sure that we're taking the opportunity to give people who can benefit most from those units the first priority.
Yeah, definitely. Again, much needed in our community, and it's so great that you guys are doing this. Dr.
Thanks.
Rich, it has been a pleasure, as always. Thanks for coming in today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, again, this segment was sponsored by Vera French Community Mental Health Center, and for more information, you can go to verafrenchmhc.org. We'll also have all those details posted on ourquadcities.com.